And welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. My name's Wayne, I'm the General Sales Manager, and I'm here to present you a full walk around tour of our 2019 Model Year 20 Mitsubishi Outlander LS. Now this is the two-wheel drive petrol version, and it is absolutely feature packed and amazing value for money. So we're going to go through the whole car, show you the features and also the condition of the car in detail. Starting at the front, you'll see it's in line with the whole Mitsubishi program now, with that beautiful diamond shield front. Got the nice chrome accents around the outside of the centre, but also that really nice finished high gloss black section through the middle. Now there is a large number of accessories available. We recommend things like your tinted bonnet protector, your headlight covers, just to protect any stone chipping that might occur at the front. Moving around the side, you have got your fog lights down the bottom corner of the front bar there, and then down this side, as you can see, excellent condition. Now a couple of things to note about this particular car. It comes with the 18-inch alloys as standard. Now these are two-tone. You've got the nice black in between each of those nice silver spokes. Very low kilometres, so you've got near new tyres on there. But Mitsubishi also do a really good job putting this hard plastic garnish around the outside edge of the arches. Now that'll stop stone chipping, but also people at the shopping centres when they open the doors, causing those dints in these really hard to fix spots. The side indicator has been moved from the guard up into the side mirror there, and colour-coded backing there. Down the side, now on the door handle you do have this little rubber button. This is to lock and unlock the car. So I've got the key in my pocket, so when I lock the car, the mirrors fold in. I walk over, I want to get in, I just push that button and the car unlocks itself. Now with the LS, they've done an awesome job updating the interior. We'll go through that in detail once we're inside, but you can see that beautiful leather and suede garnish interior there as well, so a really nice update there. They've also got these protective strips down the bottom of the doors. Again, really good when you're opening the door in the garage. In case something's there, you might bump it and dint it, but a lot of protective measures there. Now on the windows here, guys, it does have privacy glass. Now this is a coloured glass at the back. Now this is specifically just to show privacy in the back and in the cargo area. It's not the same as tinted windows, so we do recommend also putting darkest legal window tint on the front too, and then a clear heat shield on the back. And that'll give you all of the benefits of your heat reduction and also that UV protection that we're after. Moving around to the back, the Outlander's come into its own now with the way it's styled. It's got some really nice garnishes around the bottom of this rear bar. You do have 4-point colour-coded reverse sensors on the rear bar there, and then on here you've got your factory reverse camera as well. Now in the back, it's surprisingly roomy for a 7-seat larger SUV, but it's not that four-wheel drive style either, so you've got quite a lot of space in the back there in the third row. The second row seats are on rails, so they actually slide forward a little bit, and I like the fact that the baby seat tether points are right at the top of the back seat, so you lose no space there. Now we've got the seat up just to show what it looks like with them up, and really easy to fold down. And they do fold pretty much flat to the floor, and you can see a massive amount of space there as well. So you'll also note at the back, when the tailgate is up, these twin gas struts take it right up out of the way, leaving plenty of area to walk in underneath. Once we do shut that down, again, you'll note the rear windscreen wiper on the back here, which will show you the operation inside. A nice high mount stoplight, which will let the people behind you know when you are on the brakes. And you've also got that really nice updated aerial at the back, that shark fin style. And on the roof there, you've also got these nice silver side rails as well, which is where you're going to connect your crossover roof racks if you do choose to accessorise that. And again, with the design, you've got that nice rear spoiler as standard on the LS model now as well. On the passenger side, you've got your fuel release. All Mitsubishis are on the left-hand side. And again, the alloy wheel down here, completely unmarked and in excellent order. And again, all the tyres are going to be the same straight out of factory. They do come with Toyo tyres, which are a very good wearing and a very quiet tyre on the road as well. So again, pristine condition outside. The paintwork is immaculate in that metallic silver, which from the factory is an additional charge, but being a slightly used, you're not incurring that additional cost either. So moving under the bonnet now, we've got Mitsubishi's very famous 2.4 litre Myvec 4-cylinder petrol engine. Now this is a very tried and true engine. It's been around for a very long time. It does put out an impressive 124 kilowatts of power. We've got a 63 litre fuel tank, and a 6-speed CVT transmission. So very quiet, very smooth to drive. If you do have any towing requirements, you can put a factory tow bar on the back as well, and an electronic brake controller, and you'll be able to tow up to 1600 kilos as well. So sitting inside the LS Outlander now, it's really where you're going to see how feature packed this car is. So starting off on the driver's door card here, you've got full automatic to all 4 windows, auto up and down, and then you've also got your power door locks, your window lock to stop the kids in the back from playing with them, and you've got your power mirrors, as well as that button there that allows you to fold those mirrors in independently if you need to. In behind the steering wheel, you've got your passive safety system, so you've got forward collision mitigation. Now this one has a radar at the front where if you're not paying attention and the car in front of you jams their brakes on, it'll actually apply the brakes automatically while letting out an audible warning as well. We've got lane departure warning. The car will alert you if you're drifting outside of your lane, and you've got your parking sonar button there, so if you do fit the tow bar, you can turn those sensors off at the back as well. You've got a small amount of headlight adjustment here, so if you do have a full car load or you are towing, you can adjust those lights up and down at the front. Your ESP stability control, and then you've got some information here for your trip computer, distance to empty, average fuel used, etc. On the right hand stalk over here, we've got automatic headlights, and we've got our fog light controls there as well, as our indicators there too. On the left hand stalk, we've got those wiper controls I was talking about. So it's a twist to use the rear one, and an up and down like your indicator to action the front wipers there as well. You'll note on the steering wheel, you've got everything else you need at the touch of your hands there. You've got all your stereo controls over here, voice activated Bluetooth. If you do have it plugged in, you can use your Android Auto and Siri really well, and also your pick up and hang up buttons. And on this side, we've got our cruise control. Now the LS comes standard with adaptive cruise control. This will allow you to set your distance between you and the car in front of you, and it'll keep the speed the same as the car in front. Really good for that daily commuting and freeway driving. You'll also note behind the steering wheel, really good dash gauges, nice bright white numbers, and the needle as well, so you can really see easily what speed you're going. And then you've got your fuel and your car engine temperature down in the middle there, as well as your gear selection lit up in the middle. Again, I've got the key inside my pocket, so when I hopped in the car, all I do is put my foot on the brake and push the start button here. Car fires up, and then the same thing, pop it into park, and then push the button to turn the car off. So really simple operation. Down through the middle, beautiful updated interior, nice piano black finish again, and you've got this really cool touchscreen unit in the middle. Now this integrates everything from your multimedia, your Bluetooth phone connectivity. Now when you do have it plugged in through the USB, then you'll use your Google Maps and Siri, and you can also use all your normal apps like your messages, and it'll read them out, and you can also respond via voice to send the message back as well. Dual zone climate control interior means we can put this on. The passenger can have it up to 25 while the driver's still on low. Nice and easy shortcut buttons here, so fan speed, demisters, and also mode in terms of direction of air, and if you want that turned off. Hazard lights are in the middle, nice and easy to find. And down through here you've got your 12 volt power socket just with a plastic cover in there now. Don't recommend smoking in the car. USB for, again, connecting Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. And you've got your Eco Mode button here, which will change the characteristics of the engine and gearbox to try and save you that little bit of extra fuel. Got two really good sized cup holders at the front there, and also a nice neat cover if you're not going to be using them. Looking at the reverse camera, and pop it into reverse, you can see nice colour screen. You've got the top of the rear bar here, and you've got those beepers at the back, meaning parking is an absolute breeze in this car. Again, 6-speed CVT transmission, so nice and smooth through those gear changes. And then you've got your electronic handbrake, which is a really good upgrade in the LS. So simply push it down to turn the handbrake off, lift it up, and it turns it back on. And you've also got an auto hold button. So if you do push this on, when you come to a complete stop, that handbrake will hold the car. You can take your foot off the brake, and then it won't drive off. Leather bound center console lid, and a decent sized center console there. Hard to get much bigger than that when you're operating in a car this size. And again, that beautiful upgraded trim that Mitsubishi have put in. So leather side bolsters, good wear and tear getting in and out of the car, and that nice suede which doesn't get too hot or cold depending on the climate you're in. So again, nice finished off trim. dark grey, got leather on the door cards as well as that nice metallic piano finish on the door trims as well. And the rear seats are obviously trimmed exactly the same way. Alright, well there you have our walk around video of our 2019 model year 20 LS Mitsubishi Outlander. I hope you found this video to be helpful and informative, and hopefully I've done the vehicle justice in showing you just why these are amazing value for money. Again, being a Mitsubishi franchise, we have options for all the factory accessories that you might want to add to make this car exactly what you need. And a couple of other things to note just before I do go: the paintwork on this car is still in immaculate condition. One thing I highly recommend talking to us about is our glass coat ceramic paint sealer. This is going to give you a lifetime ownership guarantee on the paintwork against things like bird droppings, tree sap, UV oxidization, bug etching on the front, and that's hand individually applied to each painted panel on the car, so please ask us more. The car does come with the balance of 5-year, 100,000 kilometre warranty, and we do have the option to extend further protection for you, giving you an additional 5 years of cover, up to 200,000 kilometres with up to 10 years of premium roadside assistance. So please ask us more about our Platinum 1 cover, and Julie, who's our business manager, will be more than happy to talk to you about tailoring a finance package that will suit your requirements. And if you opted in for any of those three things, the Platinum 1, the glass coat, or some accessories, they'll only change your finance payment by a very small amount per week, so make sure you ask Julie about the difference in your payment there. The last and final thing I'd like to request you do is jump onto Google, look up Berwick Mitsubishi and look at some of our reviews. We do have over 1,100 reviews now from customers Australia-wide, and we're rated at 4.8 out of 5 stars, and that's something that myself and my team do pride ourselves on, is elevate customer experience for you as a purchaser. Next thing, call us on 9907 0555 and decide on that next step, whether that's an appointment to view the vehicle and have a test drive, or do what nearly 50% of our customers are doing now, which is buying the vehicle over the phone, subject to seeing it. We'll have the car clean and ready for collection inside the showroom. You come and visit us on one time and get to drive your new car home, just that easy. Again, thanks so much for taking the time to watch. My name's Wayne and I look forward to meeting you soon.